The Land Rover Discovery key fob uses a CR2032 battery. To replace it, first gather a new CR232 battery and a plastic pry tool. Insert the pry tool into the seam between the front and back halves of the fob. Gently twist to separate the halves. Avoid using metal tools to prevent damage. Remove the old battery, noting the correct polarity with the plus side up. Insert the new battery with the plus side facing up. Wipe the contacts with a dry cloth if you see any corrosion. Snap the key fob halves back together securely. Test the buttons lock, unlock, and panic to ensure they function correctly. Note that some 2023 and newer models may require a dealer visit for ECU syncing if the fob fails to reprogram after the battery change. Always dispose of the old battery properly at a recycling center. Aim to replace the battery every 2 to 3 years proactively to avoid issues, and use high-quality battery brands like Panasonic or Duracell to avoid premature failure. If issues persist after battery replacement, contact Land Rover support.